How's it going, guys? Eric Ellis Jr. So, what I'm going to go over very briefly, or as quick as possible at least, is how to create a call to action Facebook ad for affiliate marketing, right? So, let's dive in. Now, before you guys create an ad, obviously you need a Facebook fan page. If you don't know how to create one, there will be a link in the description with a quick video, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to click the drop down, go to create ads. So some of this stuff, if you've never done this before, it may seem like jargon, right? Now, with this one, I would either do engagement or reach just to make it easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press engagement. Now, the reason why I pick engagement is because with reach, you're paying for every 1,000 impressions. Basically, every time your ad is displayed in front of somebody 1,000 times, not one person, but 1,000 people, you're going to be paying. With engagement, you're literally paying every time somebody likes, shares, or comments, right? And that's what we're going after. It's a call to action post. So post engagement, we're going to press continue. Now, next, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and create an ad set name. So what an ad set is basically the demographic, like the age, the interest, the specifications as far as what type of audience you're looking for and your budget, right? So that's what an ad set is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put EE for Eric Ellis. Then I'm going to put affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to put the date, which is March 2nd, 2017. 2000 or actually you don't have to put the I would only put the date if I was doing this for a campaign. So for the asset EE and then affiliate marketing, right? And also I'm going to put US, and also the age I'm going to do 25 to 45. So custom audience, right? We're not going to do a custom audience. However, we're going to go ahead and pick where we want them from. So there's three options. We're going to pick people who live in this location. Next, you want to go ahead and pick. Now, the reason why I picked 25 is because when it comes to affiliate marketing, 18 to 24 usually aren't in the best financial situation. And let's be honest here, it costs money to start a business. This is a real business model when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? So we want to work with qualified people. So to cut your ad budget, so you're not spending as much money, let's go ahead and just stick to men, right? Now language, we're going to go ahead and press US for English. And then next, demographics. So what I'm going to do is keep it simple. Network marketing guy. This is going to be very broad, but I'm going to explain, right? So Jim Rohn. So we're going to click him. And we're not going to add any more. This is basically going to go a lot smaller because we're not going to display this on Instagram. So we want this in the middle. We don't want it too specific to where there's like nobody, and we don't want it too broad. We want it to be specified. So Jim Rohn, and we're going to go ahead and save this audience. Now next, here's what I want to basically explain to you guys. Automatic placement. Here's the thing. Facebook is not have your best interest at heart. They have their best interest at heart. So to make you spend as much money as quick as possible is how they get paid. So we're going to go ahead and edit placements, and we're going to do it our own way, right? So all devices, I'm actually going to do mobile only because you're going to get a higher percentage as far as interaction. Next, I'm going to take off Instagram. You see that? It dropped it down to 160,000 people, right? And next, we have mobile only, Facebook. And next, as far as a daily budget, listen, guys, the minimum is $5. Here's the thing. What you can do is you can start off at 5. If it seems like a successful ad, then you can always scale it up. Now, what I would recommend is just starting a new ad and then scaling it up to $20 if all the demographics which is your ad set, which is this information that we just created, and the budget. If all that works, as well as your ad that you create, and you're getting a lot of engagement, then you want to go ahead and scale it up. So basically, you're going to scale it up and get higher results. So run my ad set continuously starting today. So we're going to do 5. Me personally, I would never do a $5 a day unless I'm starting something out. So next, bid amount, we're not going to go ahead and do automatic because like I said, Facebook is trying to put money in their pockets. So we're going to do manual. So suggested bid, it's saying 20 cents. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to say 10 cents. Now, here's the thing. You very well might get something cheaper than 10 cents. So when you get charged, no, not more impressions. An impression is when it's displayed. No, post engagement. I want you to be engaged with my post. Next, run ads all the time. So basically, let me go ahead and explain this really quick, right? So if I get 10 comments, that's going to cost me $1. Now imagine if you get 10 comments, you're going to be able to send your information to 10 people. You're definitely going to get the return on your investment. Next, run ads all the time, delivery standard, and high and advanced options. No, we're going to keep it at that, right? So let's press continue. Now, it's time to click which page. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to Eric Ellis Jr. Or actually, let's pick one. Let's click Earn with Eric because there's no ads already added. So Earn with Eric, then what we're going to do is create new ad right here. We're not using existing posts. We're creating a new ad. So we want to do a single image, right? We're going to delete this. Now, if you don't have your own image, you can go ahead and go to free stocks. And you can type in luxury or something of that nature, right? Click it. And let's just to show you an example. If that's the one I picked, that's what's going to show up for the ad. If you look down here, see? Look at that. But we're not going to do that. I'm going to make it more personal. I'm going to create my own, right? So wait for that to load. And in the meantime, again, Earn with Eric. Now, I already have everything pre-written out, so I'm going to just go ahead and copy and paste it. But you would be writing this up yourself, right? So here's the thing. When it comes to the Facebook ad, this is a call to action. Now, here's the thing. When it comes to opportunities where you can make money, Facebook does not like that. So, therefore, you do not want to drive traffic to that type of link because what's going to happen is they're going to ban your account. So, if you look at here, right, when it comes to, there's a psychology behind this. The objective is to create a problem, make it relatable to where somebody might have been in your shoes or something similar, and provide a solution, right? Now, this right here, let me explain, that's to build curiosity because let's read this really quick. As I look into the beautiful view, right here, obviously, sometimes I think of how much life is truly a freaking blessing. Let me explain. So as soon as you say, let me explain, they're like, okay, they're engaged. You capture their attention, you build their curiosity. I was broke, living paycheck to paycheck until I learned how to earn my first dollar online. Then we're going to, so this was basically the problem, right? Something to relate. Somebody else might be living paycheck to paycheck looking at this post. And okay, obviously this is the solution. The solution sounds like it's going to come up next. So here's the call to action. Like this photo and comment more info, and I will send you a free video training that breaks down the step-by-step process on how I transitioned from broke as a joke to a full-time job quitting income online. I will only send this free video training to you if you like this video and comment more info. So if you notice, I did 2 call to actions. So if they're truly interested in receiving more info, meaning instead of being the hunter, you're the hunted, people are requesting for your opportunity or something that's going to change their life, then you're going to basically follow up by sending them your link via message. So you're just going to literally, the people that comment more info, just to kind of give you guys an example, one of my ads before, just to give you guys a tidbit of something like this. Now this one is a little bit different because it's a video, but I ran a similar campaign. If you look right here, this had 96,000 views, and it said like, share, and comment. So if you notice, what happened is people requested information. So let me go ahead and click it. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name. So if you look, I had 602 comments, 485 shares. Imagine the organic reach, and people consistently request more information to where if you see the response, just to show you guys a quick follow-up, right? I said, hey, you requested more info on generating an online income. Click the link below for more information. So guys, just to kind of go into depth, after you create your ad and you respond to these people, there's a 3-step process. First is actually creating the ad and the call to action. And second is sending your information to the people who request your information. And third is following up, meaning after I send this, I'm going to send a follow-up. I haven't even followed up yet, but let's send a follow-up. Do you have any questions about the video, or are you ready to get started? So it's literally an alternative choice. I'm not giving you a yes or no. It's either are you ready to get started, or excuse me, do you have any questions, or are you ready to get started? Send. So this is the 3-step process. I created the ad, I did my call to action, they requested more info, I sent them to my page, right? And then once they click my page, I followed up with them. So what happens is when you follow up with them, they either are going to have questions or they're going to be ready to join your opportunity. So again, once you go ahead and create this and you build the proper ad, right, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press place order. Now, obviously you want to go ahead and review the order first. However, just for time's sake for this video, I want to show you. And then it's going to say your order has been placed. You will receive a notification when your ads are reviewed. So basically, they're going to go to review my ad. Obviously, I've been doing this for a while, so it's going to go ahead and go through. Then what's going to happen is once they go through, you're going to go through the 3-step process. That was the first step, which is creating the ad and the call to action. The second step is sending them the information that they requested, and third is the follow-up. So that is the simple process to where you can literally generate massive amount of leads, and it enables you to follow up with these people, and you're not hunting, you are the hunted. So again, just to introduce myself, I mean, you can look at my page right here, Eric Ellis Jr., serial entrepreneur. I'm a professional online sales and marketer and affiliate marketer. If you're looking for an opportunity, I actually have one where you can generate a serious amount of income online. That's what I'm actually doing this training for. But I feel like you guys could benefit from this as well. Go ahead. There's going to be a link in the description which will allow you to actually generate an income. If this is something that you were looking to do, go ahead and reach out to me, or go ahead and click the link in the description, and we'll go ahead and lock arms and get started. Now, I want you guys, if you gain any value from this, go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and drop a comment. If you have any questions, drop a comment, and subscribe for more valuable content in the future. Again, thank you guys, Eric Ellis Jr., and you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out, and I will see you at the top.